After watching this entire video, you're definitely going to say one thing: this is hands down the best video so far, because the AI tools I'm about to show you today can generate videos like these.
I finally found it. Welcome home with a Guardian.
And all of them are among the best video generation tools that people use to create long-form AI videos. Today I'm going to introduce you to 3 powerful tools that let you generate 15 to 20 minutes of video every single day if you follow the methods I'm about to show you. So I'll explain all 3 video generators step by step, how to use them for free, and how to generate unlimited videos with them. By the end of this video, you'll know everything. On top of that, I'll also reveal a secret method to remove unwanted objects from your videos. So this video is extremely important for you. Let's get started with the first AI tool. Open Chrome and search for the name of the first AI tool. Click on the very first website that appears because that's the special tool we're going to use. You'll see a lot of different tools here, but since we're here to generate videos, click on Video Generation. You'll now land on a page like this. On the side, you'll see Sign Up and Log In. To generate videos, you first need to create an account. Click Sign Up, then continue with Google, and create an account using any Gmail address. Don't use a temporary email because this platform gives you unlimited video generation with a single account, so there's no need to keep creating new accounts. After that, a verification pop-up will appear. Simply slide it like this to complete the verification. From here, you can choose any of the available models. But for now, the one that's already selected is the best option, so we'll stick with that. I personally use this tool all the time for my own projects. Now let me show you how you can create content with it. Here you can generate videos from images as well as from text. Let's start by generating an image. Click on Image Generation, paste your prompt here, and for the best results, click here and select Qwen Image 3.0. Next, choose your image's aspect ratio, then click Generate. The Qwen Image 3 model will start creating your image, and in just a few moments, you'll have a stunning, high-quality image ready. Just look at the quality, it's seriously impressive. Now once your image is ready, you can turn it into a video or even edit it right here on the same platform. Simply hover over the image, click Create Video, paste the prompt you want to animate it with, and hit Generate. After a short wait, your video will be ready. You can preview it here and download it with just a click. Let's see how the result turned out. For a free tool, the video quality is surprisingly good. You can generate as many images and videos as you want. That said, if you're a content creator, image to video might not always give you the best results. In that case, generating videos directly from text usually works much better. Let's try that too. Just paste your prompt here, click Generate, and you can also choose your video's aspect ratio from here. After a short wait, your video will be ready, and you can download it as well. Let's check out this result too. Now realistically, you're not always going to generate an image here first and then convert it into a video. Most of the time, you'll already have your own image that you want to animate. For example, I have this image, so I'll click the plus icon and upload it. Then I'll paste the prompt to animate this image and click Generate. Your video will immediately start generating. In just a few moments, your video will be ready. Let's check out the result. This is our best video generator tool so far, but what I'm about to show you next is even better. And after that, I'll also show you how to use Veo 3.1 completely free. Now here's our next AI tool. Open a new tab in Chrome, search for the name of this tool, and click on the very first website that appears. This is the platform where we're going to generate stunning videos, with audio included, so let's see how it works. First, you'll need to create an account. Click here, choose Continue with Google, and sign up using any Gmail account. Once you're in, close the pop-up that appears. Now you'll notice that we currently have 120 credits. We already had 60 credits, so now the total is 180 credits. But after a little while, if you refresh this page, you'll see your balance increase to 300 credits. On top of that, you'll receive 120 free credits every day just for logging in. Now you might be wondering, what's the deal with these credits? Don't worry, I'll explain that. I'll also show you how to generate unlimited videos from this platform, so make sure you watch this part carefully. To generate a video, click on this option. A page like this will open. First, let's create a video from an image. Click here, upload your image, and paste the prompt you want to use to animate it. Next, click here and select the best available model. The model we already have selected is currently the best one, so we'll leave it as it is. You'll also notice there's a prompt character limit here, so make sure your prompt doesn't exceed it. The best part is that generating a single video only costs 20 credits. To generate your video, simply click Generate. On the side, you'll see that your video has started generating. It doesn't take long on this platform. Within about a minute to a minute and a half, your video will be ready. You can then long press it to save it directly to your gallery. Now let's see how the result turned out. The video looks really impressive and feels very realistic. If you look closely, you'll notice there's a large unwanted object in the video caused by the platform. I'll show you exactly how to remove it later in this video. The method I'm going to share works on any video, no matter how long it is, and lets you remove unwanted objects with ease. So don't skip that part. You'll also find powerful models like Sora 2 and Seedance here, but you'll need a subscription to use them. Now let's create another video on the same platform. This time, instead of using image to video, we'll create it using the start frame and end frame feature for full control. First, I'll click start frame and upload my first image, where the dragon is flying in the sky. Then I'll click end frame and upload the second image, where the dragon is standing on the ground. Next, I'll paste my prompt here. It basically says that the dragon starts in the sky and then slowly and smoothly lands on the ground before coming to a stop. That's the kind of video we want. Once everything is set, just click generate. Videos like this take a little longer to render, usually around 3 to 4 minutes. Now the video is ready, so let's download it. Let's see how it turned out. The result matches both of my reference images almost perfectly. One thing I really like about this platform is that it automatically saves all of your generated videos in history. So if you ever need them again, you can easily come back and download them. Now it's time for the next tool. And don't worry, I know you might be thinking I'm about to show another third-party website, but that's not the case at all. Now head over to the Google Play Store, search for Google Flow Beta, and download the first app you see. Once it's installed, open it up and pay close attention to the next steps, because this is how you'll legally generate unlimited videos for free. First, you'll need to create an account. Just sign up using any Gmail account. Once you're in, tap here, and you'll notice you already have 50 credits. I'll show you exactly how to use these credits so you can generate plenty of videos without running out. To create an AI video, tap New. First, let's generate a video from an image. Tap the plus icon, choose image, and grant any permissions it asks for. Now upload the image you want to animate, then paste your animation prompt here. Next, we need to adjust the video settings. Tap here to open all the settings. First, make sure video is selected. Then choose the model you want to generate the video with. After that, select your video's aspect ratio and tap generate. You'll see the video start generating right next to your uploaded image. In about a minute to a minute and a half, your video will be ready. Tap on it, and you'll also see which model was used to generate it. To download the video, tap the 3 dots on the side, then tap download. Your video will be saved to your device. Now let's check out the result. The video turned out really impressive. Now what if you want to generate a video directly from text instead? Let's take a look. Here, you don't need to upload an image. Just paste your text prompt, then tap here and adjust the video settings however you like. For this one, let's generate a 10-second video. It'll cost this many credits and we'll generate it using VO 3.1 Fast, which takes 20 credits. Now just tap generate and your video will start rendering. A short while later, our video is ready. Let's download it and see how it turned out. The result looks fantastic. Now, if you look here, you'll notice we still have 18 credits left, which is enough to generate one more video. This time, we'll use OmniFlash. We'll generate another 10-second video in the 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. But as you can see, we don't have enough credits left to generate another one after that. So what do you do if you want to keep creating more videos? It's simple. Sign out of the app. These days, almost everyone has 3 or 4 Gmail accounts on their phone. I have 10 Gmail accounts, so I'll just create another account using a different Gmail. Once you sign in with the new account, you'll see that your 50 free credits are back again. That means I can generate another 3 videos. Since I have 10 Gmail accounts, I can easily generate around 30 videos a day. Now, if you look closely at this video, you'll notice there's an unwanted object. So, let's see how to remove it. First, open the Google Play Store, download this app, and launch it. Once it's open, you'll see 3 options. Tap select video, then choose the video you want to remove the unwanted object from. It doesn't matter if the video is an hour long, the process is exactly the same. Now, use this black selection box to highlight the unwanted object, just like this. Once you've selected it, tap Save. Next, choose 1080p, tap the checkmark icon, and your cleaned up video will be saved directly to your gallery. So those were the 3 super AI video generator tools you can use to create amazing videos. If you found this video even a little helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I've got a lot more incredible AI tools coming your way. And if you want to discover even more AI video generators, be sure to watch this next video. It's made especially for you. Thanks for watching this video.